How to turn off two-factor authentication on YouTube. How to turn off two-factor authentication on Instagram. Hello everybody, if y'all are wondering how, you may follow up the step. So open up Instagram, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. And from the given interface, head over to your profile in the bottom right. After tapping on your profile, this opens up. Now what you can do is tap on the three horizontal lines at the top and open up your settings and activity. From here, head over to Meta Account Center. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, you will be finding this. Now, from the given options, head over the option called Password and Security. Tap on it, and then after tapping on it, here you'll be finding option called Two-Factor Authentication. Just go ahead and tap on that option, and after tapping on it, select up your Instagram account. And once you are here, if you have turned on two-factor authentication using either authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp, all you gotta do is you'll be finding a turn off option there. Tap on turn off and follow the on-screen prompts. And once you do that, the two-factor authentication should be turned off on your Instagram. So that is it for now. You may follow up the step. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.